Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to set shopping settings on the Nike Store application. So, how do you set shopping settings on the Nike Store application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Nike Store app. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap the Settings menu. A menu like this will appear. Next, tap the Shopping Settings menu. A menu like this will appear. In the Shopping Preferences section, please select your gender. You can then change the additional preferences. Finally, in the shoe size section, you can change your shoe size. So, that's it, tutorial on how to set shopping settings on the Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.